Alright fellas, me and the People's Champ on the pursuit for some water. We're gonna go on over to Joe Pool Spillway. Both of us are out of commission on our boats. Hey, if any of y'all know where I can get a 150 horsepower motor, I need it. I burnt the piston up in my motor, so it's got me out of commission. So I need y'all to help me out. Comment. My email is in the description. So help me out. Put me back on the water, guys.
Be more specific. What kind of motor you want? What brand?
Man, I would love a Mercury 150, but just one working 150. You know, I love Mercury. They got a lot of torque. But like I said, any working 150 will do me just fine. So we finna go to the spillway, man. How you ready for that, man? We ain't been on the bank in so long.
Yeah, I forgot how to bank fish.
Well, you gonna have to learn today, buddy. He gonna have to learn today, cause we going to the creek, to the spillway. They got the water open. I think they've had it open for about 2 weeks. So it should be interesting. It should be interesting. So we on the journey, walking to the spillway. See People's Champ back there.
Ain't feeling like no champ back going up the hill.
Hey man, this is what we need right here. I'm out of shape too. Got my man up there beating us. We so out of shape. He probably 80. He burning us. That's a shame. How you let an 80-year-old man burn you, man? He in low gear and he's still beating us. Golly. That's a bad deal right there if I ain't never heard one. Bad deal. Wow, so they definitely had that bad boy running. Running it is. Goodness. Woo! People Champ fell behind back there. The old man that burnt him. Terrible. How you let it go down like that? I don't know. I know I'm tired, but I'm anxious to get these fish. Spillway looking fresh and beautiful. Going on down here at the end, calmer water. Gonna walk down these rocks, so let me turn this camera off and secure it before I fall with it. Start out with this golden slime bonehead bait and a custom crappie head jig head right here. It's gold with a little bit of monkey milk faded into it. This should get it done. And that's a 1/8 ounce head. These rocks are killing me. Hey, make sure you go up. Yeah. You got a water and you're drinking all the monster drinks. And what I'm doing is letting it sink to the bottom, retrieving it slowly, because a lot of those crappie are sitting down in the rocks. You see all those rock crevices over there? Crappie just sitting down off these rocks. Come across them right, bam. There we go. All right, fellas, we hooked up. I don't know, that might be sand, baby. Oh, baby, that's a crappie. Woo!
Put him in that bucket.
Yes, sir. It's a crappie.
Just stick him in that bucket right there.
Man, when I tell you I pin these jokers, I be pinning them. That's a crappie right there, baby.
Put him in the bucket.
Put him in the bucket. Say bye-bye. That was a good cast. Like I said, I'm letting it hit the bottom. and just trying to keep it right above the rocks. There you go. That's good. Little bitty hush puppy. Little bitty one. Oh, that ain't no hush puppy. He's a little baby keeper. He'll make the line time keeper. Uh-oh, if I don't drop my rod in the water. Make the line time keeper. Get him on out of there. Yep. There you go. Let me see. Turn it this way so get y'all out the sun. Hello, cutie pie. Open up the box, DJ. That's the box today, y'all. Oh, I don't know if I can chunk this like that. Oh, your boy got aim. Oh, off the rim. Off the rim. People's Champ had to go to the car and get him another rod. Uh-oh. See if he make it down these rocks. People's Champ almost bit to dust. Oh, man. That would not have been funny, boy. These rocks was gonna tear you up. All right. He done caught one before I can get the camera rolling.
And they eating good too. Look at this stomach.
Look at that stomach, y'all. Ooh.
Look at that back.
Look at that back. Whoa, don't fall in the creek, man.
It's a fillet for you, that boy.
That's a bucket tuster right there. Bucket tuster. All right. Oh, we got a visit from the game, boy. Yeah. He got the stick right there for you. You go and test him out right there, buddy. We got a visit from the game one today, y'all. And DJ got fish in his pockets.
I need to check his pockets.
Check his pockets, man. After you get through checking his pockets, Billy club him. Yeah. That son cooking you, man?
Son, it's the rocks.
These rocks worked you over? I want to pull another one out of their date. This time I want another one. The people they want one from the People's Champ.
I get y'all.
What's your dilemma, bro?
The dilemma is I should have got some water.
Yeah.
Dehydrated.
Oh yeah, I told you. We coming out here drinking Slurpees and stuff. We gonna sit out here and pass out on these rocks. Did that last one bump it? Did he hit it when he hit it?
Slammed it.
He slammed it.
Pulled me in the water.
He almost pulled you in the water. Wow, you don't say.
I tell you, if I didn't have that rope tied to me, oh man.
You got a rope tied to your back?
Man, he almost had me one, but I had something for him. Man, I'm telling you, you gotta be ready for these jokers out here, man.
This joker said, he said the crappie almost pulled him in the water.
What, if you ain't ready, man, he gonna get you. He gonna bring you in there with him, bro. I'm telling you. You can't play with these things right here.
Oh my God. The stuff this dude will say is endless.
Y'all didn't see the size of that crappie I just had. Man, he crappie serious, man. Crappie ain't playing with you, man. I'm telling you. If you ain't on your game, they gonna play you. They play you. I got no crappie, you want.
Get him. Get him out of there. What you got? Got your old crappie.
That's what I hunt.
Oh, that's what you hunt, huh?
I hunt crappie.
So he got your little old timber.
Yeah, I think he gotta go back.
Yeah, you think? Yeah,
That's what fat back.
That's what I'd have thought, man. He ain't fatter back enough.
You the first one, so I gotta kiss him in the.
Man, say, man. I'm telling you, gonna get a parasite in him.
The People's Champ coming at y'all with Crappie, baby.
Cut it out. I was up there. Oh, playing the cameraman for the People's Champ. Wound up catching me one. Oh, About to catch these rocks. Caught a little snickerdoodle.
Put you on YouTube.
He gonna put me. This is going on YouTube anyway. He said he gonna put me on YouTube if I fall. That's where it's gonna be anyway. Oh man, guys, it is hot out here, and well, it's not as hot as it is. Me and DJ came out here without water, so we're dehydrated. So if y'all would hit that thumbs up button for the effort, because we about to, you know, have heat stroke out here catching these fish. So we're gonna try to keep on, push on, catch some more fish. I caught a couple off camera because I got so tired and dehydrated. Didn't feel like fooling with the camera, but I had to turn it back on because we kept catching them. Apologize for that, guys.
People's champ. Feeling like people's chump.
Want to show them that sandbass you got there?
No, I don't want to show them that.
Show them sandbass?
We catching some pretty nice sandbass out here.
There you go. All right. Hold on, DJ. Get out the way. We hooked up, y'all.
He hooked up.
All right. Might be old fat sandbass. That's a crappie. That's a good one. We fighting like a crappie. Good little snippet. That's a good. Ooh, shaking like a pit bull too. That's a good one right there, baby. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, as long as the bucket. All right, guys. Me and the people champ, we beat up. I'm gonna be honest. We the snack men, but the day we messed up, we came out here without water. We drank some sugary drinks before we got out here. And you see, we had to take a break before we try that hill right there. We came from all the way back over there. What'd you say?
Call 911.
Oh man. So I hope y'all enjoyed the few fish we got to put on there. And I'm sorry, but keep watching. We're gonna be back on it, and we're gonna come out here right, fresh and energized. Got anything to say, man?
Yeah, we need a go-kart to get up that hill.
Oh, he said we did a go-kart. Oh, he gonna kill me. He gonna kill me. It's a beautiful day. Hey, please subscribe, comment, like it. And if y'all come across a 150, or if anybody out there have a 150 Mercury motor, outboard motor, or Johnson, Evinrude, either one, get at your boy D Crappie. I need to get back on the water.
Go-kart, moped.
No, we need no go-kart, no moped, man.
We gotta get up that hill, bro.
Yeah, I ain't talking about the hill, I'm talking about the lake. Y'all, we'll see y'all later. Y'all take it easy. Be cool.